So Dr. Arun Sharma is the founder director of International Institute of Mahayoga and Natural Hygiene, also called as IMANA, a visionary leader dedicated to restoring health the natural way. Dr. Sharma comes from a distinguished lineage of healers. His grandfather, Acharya Lakshman Sharma, is fondly remembered as the father of nature cure in India. His father, Professor Ganesha Sharma, was a pioneering teacher who spread the message of natural living across the country. Carrying forward this rich legacy, Dr. Sharma earned his doctorate in natural hygiene after 6 years of rigorous training. Over the past 4 decades, Dr. Sharma has helped thousands of people worldwide reclaim their health through the timeless principles of Mahayoga and natural hygiene, empowering them to heal naturally without the use of medicines. Dr. Sharma has conducted over 1,000 plus health camps and has reached more than 50,000 individuals through awareness programs and continues to inspire many more through his books and also through media appearances and training initiatives. Now, without taking too much time, I hereby welcome Dr. Arun Sharma ji and request him to give a short speech before we start with the question and answer session. So thank you to all those who have already posted their questions on the Google form. We will first take up questions which are posted, and then if we have time, we will open the floor to more questions on the live Zoom meeting. Over to you, Guruji.
Namaste, everybody. Atma tvam girijamati parijana pranan shariram griham pujate vishayopaboga rachana stotrani sarvagiraha sanchara padayo pradakshina vidhi nidra samadhi sthiti yadyat karma karomi taddadakhilam shambho tavaradhanam. O Lord, Atma, soul is yourself. Girijamati, your consort is the intelligence. Parijana Pranan, all the associated people around you or lives, so many lives around you, in and out. Shariram Griham, you reside in my body, in everyone's body, as Atma. When a person dies, his body dies, but Atma is everlasting. Puja te vishayopabhoga rachana. I don't know how to worship you. Some people show candle or deepam around you. Some people show incense, all kinds of different things. They go around idols. I don't know all that, but I know one thing. Shariram griham, my body is your place of abode. If I keep my body clean, I am doing the right thing in worshiping you. So all this kind of explanation is given to explain what is natural health science. It has been popularly known as naturopathy and then nature cure, but I like to call it as natural health science. It's a health science. It teaches you, it's a science of learning how to live healthy. Why is it a science? Because in science, you have experiment, observation, and inference. Experiment is even if you convert your habits into natural lifestyle, healthy lifestyle for 1 week, just 1 week, you will see a vast difference in your life. Wow, I'm feeling much better than before. How does it happen? You are what you eat. You are what you do. If you don't have this 5 guidelines of health, that means your life is a waste. What's the first one? Ample exercise. Each one of us think that exercise are meant for bodybuilders or muscle builders. I don't want to worry about all that. I'm having enough income. I'm working in a computer online job. I have enough money to support my family. That's all I need. And my wife cooks well. very tasty foods, and then I have everything that I need in my life. So why should I need to do exercise, people think? Exercise is very, very important for each one of us. When you do ample exercise, the circulation in the body goes much better than before. When the blood circulation is improved, then removal of toxins also happens very well. It's the accumulation of toxins which is the cause of all diseases. प्राणस्य निर्मले देहे चेष्टितं स्वास्थ्य नामकम प्राणस्य समले देहे चेष्टितं स्वास्थ्य नामकम समले देहे चेष्टितं रोग नामकम. If there accumulation of filth in the body, it's a sign of disease. And if there is clean body, it's a sign for healthy life. So that's a sum total of whatever I want to tell you. And I can go on and on, but I would stop here to entertain questions from all of you. Each one may have questions about their neck, about their intestine, about their feet, different parts of the body. All the parts of the body is parts of the same one body. We have only one body, and the body has life. Body has water in it. It has got gas and it has got water, and all these things have to keep flowing in the body. That's why we need ample exercise. Adequate rest we need, because when we do exercise, the benefit of exercise comes when you follow it up with rest. Relaxing all the nerves, do shavasana and relax all your nerves, and the body circulates very well. And then positive food. Whatever you put in, that's what makes your body. If you don't put in positive, healthy food, you will not be healthy. If you put in healthy food, your body will shine and show up as a healthy body. And that shine should not come from makeup material. It should come naturally. And without any further description about makeups and all that, that's ample exercise, adequate rest. Positive food. What are positive foods that you will learn in the natural health science classes? Whatever comes from the plant, that is positive food. And not all the plants are food. Only that plant where you can eat the material given by the plant as a food totally without any other help. Cucumber, you don't need anything else to eat cucumber. You can enjoy cucumber. Like that, bananas, when it is ripe bananas, you don't need anything else. Oh, enjoy banana as it is. Like that, we should enjoy raw vegetables, fruits without any help, without adding spices to it. Then what does it make enjoyable? Hunger. You don't have hunger, you don't want to enjoy anything. In order to get pure true hunger, you have to fast. You don't keep on eating and expect hunger to come. Only with hunger, food becomes tasty. Food without spices also become very tasty. Like that, there are so many such guidelines. Now I will leave the floor for you to ask questions. Vandana ji.
Ji, Guruji, thank you for this nice and crisp short speech before the start of question and answer session. There is a request from Mahesh ji to speak in Hindi. I
अच्छी
am
बात
not
है.
sure how many people do not understand Hindi. Is there anyone who does not understand Hindi?
No, I will give a 5 minutes Hindi introduction also.
Okay,
So I have given English introduction. अब हिंदी में भी बोल लेते हैं.
okay. Thank you.
हमारा शरीर प्रकृति का एक प्रोडक्ट है, प्रकृति से बना हुआ है. इनमें क्या क्या पदार्थ गया है वो 5 हैं. आकाशाद वायु, वायोरग्नि, अग्निरापः, अद्य पृथ्वी, पृथिव्योर औषधयः, औषधिभ्यो अन्नम. ऐसे कहा गया वे तैत्तरीय उपनिषद में कहा गया. आकाशाद वायु, आकाश तत्व होता है जो खुराक है हमारे लिए. किसी को ये पता नहीं आकाश तत्व कैसे खुराक हो सकता है. जब आप बाकी खाना नहीं खाते हैं तब आकाश तत्व को ग्रहण करते हैं. आकाशात वायु, वायु मतलब यह है कि हवा जो इर्द गिर्द होता है वो साफ होगा तो हमारा स्वास्थ्य भी अच्छा रहेगा. सांस लेते हैं तो नाक से लेते हैं, हम सोच रहे हैं सिर्फ हम नाक से सांस लेते हैं. नहीं नहीं, आप आपके चर्म से भी सांस लेते हैं. चर्म को भी साफ रखना चाहिए, साबुन लगा के नहीं. अच्छा आदतें हो तो खाली पानी से ही तौलिया गीला करके रगड़ लो, बस साफ हो गया बॉडी। साबुन की जरूरत नहीं है। साबुन से क्या होता है, सुराखें बंद हो जाती है। कुछ ऐसे पतला लेयर होता है एक, जो कि शरीर को खराब करते हैं। तो थोड़ी देर के लिए हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि अंग्रेजी में चाहिए। अंग्रेजी में तो बोल दिया। आई हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड माई टॉक इन इंग्लिश। नाउ आई एम स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम फॉर दोज हु डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड अर्लियर इंग्लिश वर्जन। तो ऐसा शरीर के लिए जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, मन के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, जरूरतें हैं, और शरीर के लिए जरूरत है, और सबसे ज्यादा क्या, आत्मा को कुछ चाहिए। वो क्या, आत्मा क्या होता है? वो शरीर नहीं होता है, मन नहीं होता है, उससे आगे होता है। उसी से बने हैं हम लोग। भगवान आत्मा में रहते हैं, हर एक के जीवन में वो है। वो गाइड करते हैं, वो मार्गदर्शन दिखाते हैं कि हमें कैसे जीना चाहिए। जब हम गलत तरीके से जीते हैं तो शरीर में बीमारी आ जाती है। सही तरीके से जिएंगे तो बीमारी दूर हो जाता है अपने आप। कैसे ये आश्चर्यजनक बातें हो रही है। इसी के लिए हम वेदों का सहारा लेते हैं। कुछ लोग कहते हैं हम तो मुसलमान हैं, हम वेदों को नहीं मानते, लेकिन आपके कुरान में भी यही बात कहा हुआ है। तो इसीलिए हम ये कहते हैं कि चाहे कोई भी रिलीजन हो दुनिया में, ईसा ईसाई हो या मुसलमान हो, सबके लिए शरीर तो वैसे ही बना है। खुदा ने वैसे ही शरीर दिया है। सबका कानून यही है, नेचुरल रूल्स अप्लाइज टू वन एंड ऑल। इसलिए सबको इसका नेचुरल हेल्थ साइंस को सीखना चाहिए, और इसको अडाप्ट करने से सबका स्वास्थ्य अच्छा रहता है। इसमें क्या, मार्गदर्शन के लिए क्या कहा गया? खूब परिश्रम करना, उसके जितना परिश्रम किया उतना आराम भी करना। पॉजिटिव फूड, खुराक अच्छा खाना। अच्छा खुराक क्या होता है? वो जो पेड़ों से पौधों से आता है, बिना पकाए जो खा सकते हैं वो ज्यादा अच्छा है। औषधिभ्यो अन्नम अन्नात् भूतानि, सब जीव राशि खुराक से बने हैं। ये अच्छा पॉजिटिव फूड हो गया। पॉजिटिव थॉट्स, आपके विचारों को भी अच्छा रखना है। और an activity that combines your passion and skill to help others। हर एक के जीवन में एक एक मकसद होना चाहिए, जिससे कि जो भी काम आप करें उसमें लोगों का भलाई हो। वो क्या हो सकता है? जो आपका जो मनचाहा काम हो, जो कि लोगों को भला भला कर सकता है। वो गाना गाने के लिए हो, या कोई चित्र बनाने का हो, या कोई इंजीनियरिंग काम हो, जैसे जो भी काम आप करते हैं जिसमें आपका दिलचस्पी है, वो ऐसा काम होना चाहिए जिससे लोगों की भलाई होना चाहिए। और एक अपने मन में सद्विचार को बढ़ावा देना चाहिए। सवालों को देखते हैं, क्या क्या सवाल है लोगों का, उसके अनुसार आगे बढ़ते हैं। वंदना जी, सवाल पूछ।
जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद गुरुजी इस मार्गदर्शन के लिए। अब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। आई इनवाइट सीमा जी, सीमा मनिकोट जी, who is also a co-host for this meeting. She is also a natural health coach and a tutor with Imana. And I request her to start with the question and answer session. Over to you, Seema ji.
Namaste, Guruji. Namaste to everyone.
नमस्ते।
The first question here is, what is your, no, no, is there any cure to glaucoma and cataract in nature cure? Is there any proven cure for this? This person wants to know.
I
The
don't
person,
have the record right now to show you who got well, but there are so many who got well following the same healthy lifestyle. आंखों का जो, you want me to answer in Hindi or English? English is better, right?
this person
A
has
person,
written it in English. Yeah.
okay.
So allopathic drops are going on, and they say no other option is available. So
उनके पास कोई, they don't have any other option, but we do. Glaucoma or any other kind of eye defect is related to this body. It's not a part outside your body. Your eyes are within your body, and all the defects of the eyes can be treated without any medicine. If you improve your overall health, health of every part of the body will improve. That's all there is to it. To improve overall health, you need the same 5 guidelines. Ample exercise, adequate rest, positive food. You have to understand this positive food part in more details. And once you understand that, once you learn and practice taking positive foods every day, have plenty of exercise, glaucoma will run away. कोमा जो नाम दिया गया है ग्लाकोमा, वो नाम से कुछ नहीं रखा. There are so many defects which are given names by allopathic system. Don't worry about the names, just follow natural healthy lifestyle, and that will improve your overall health and improve the health of your eyes also. See the stages now, and then after following natural healthy lifestyle for a month or two, you will see every week there is improvement. Thank you.
A very good reply. Thank you for that assurance that problems of the eyes can also be cured by following a natural and a healthy lifestyle. Now, moving on to the next question. A person asks, how to cure constipation?
Constipation is the basis of all problems. If you have enough fiber in your food, water in your food, and if it is natural and it is not processed, if you have at least in one meal of the whole day, raw vegetable salads, that will improve all the health problems. That will remove all the health problems, and you will not have any constipation. Constipation is the basis for all diseases.
So, should we move on to the next question, Guruji?
Go ahead.
I have mild colitis, like IBD, that is irregular bowel disease, gut problem, such as gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, sometimes trigger my body and react with black stool, linked internal bleeding acid. I have medicine. Yeah. So this person is, I am on medicine since long times. Before 2 months ago, doctor treated me with upper GI, some colonoscopy with my esophagus varies with has branded. I am always in fear about my health. So I think probably you should answer in Hindi, Guruji, for this.
Oh, really? जितना डर होता है उतना देर रोग भी हमारे साथ होता है. डर को हटा दीजिए तो रोग हट जाता है. निर्भय होकर के काम करिए. स्वास्थ्य हमारा स्वस्थ जीवन शैली से बनता है. स्वस्थ जीवन शैली में क्या चाहिए, क्या क्या चाहिए? एम्पल एक्सरसाइज माने खूब परिश्रम करना, शारीरिक और मानसिक दोनों के लिए काम देना चाहिए. ज्यादा लोग क्या करते हैं, शारीरिक एक्सरसाइज तो कर लेते हैं, मन को नहीं एक्सरसाइज नहीं देते हैं. मन का एक्सरसाइज कैसे करना है? वो ध्यान, वो कुछ चैंटिंग करना है, कोई मेडिटेशन करना है, प्राणायाम करना है, ऐसे मन को भी एक्सरसाइज मिल जाता है. और ऐसे एम्पल एक्सरसाइज, एडिक्वेट रेस्ट, जितना एक्सरसाइज करते हैं उतना आराम भी देना चाहिए. जितना परिश्रम करते हैं उतना उसके अनुसार आराम भी देना चाहिए. आराम से क्या होता है, एक्सरसाइज का फल तब मिलता है, नहीं तो एक्सरसाइज का फल नहीं मिलता. एक्सरसाइज करते जाएं, आराम ना करें तो शरीर जल्दी शिथिल हो जाता है. जितना व्यायाम करते हैं उतना आराम भी करना चाहिए. पॉजिटिव फूड, पथ्य आहार क्या होता है? जिसमें पानी ज्यादा होता है, रेशा ज्यादा होता है, जिसमें जीव होता है. हम तो खाने को, जो भी खाना मिलता है उसको मार देते हैं, पका पका के, तल 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 करके, उसमें तेल मसाला डाल के. जो खाने का जो फायदा है वो तो खत्म खत्म हो जाता है, बल्कि नुकसान होने शुरू हो जाता है. इसलिए ऐसा कच्चे सब्जियों को खाने का आदत बनाना चाहिए. और जितना एक्सरसाइज करते हैं उतना आराम भी देना चाहिए. और मन को सीधा रखना चाहिए। ये नहीं कि ये करें वो करें, इधर उधर भागने नहीं देना, एक रास्ते में रखना। तो उसका जो फल मिलता है उसको भी रिकॉर्ड करना। पहले ऐसे था, अब एक हफ्ता हम ऐसे पथ्य आहार में थे तो एक हफ्ते में इतना फर्क हुआ है। और ये जो रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं, इससे ही आपको और ऊर्जा मिलता है और एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है। आगे आगे चल करके और लोगों को भी बता सकते हैं मैं ऐसे था, ऐसे से किया, ऐसे ठीक हुआ। ये सब बहुत जरूरी है। आप जो हर एक व्यक्ति यहाँ पर अटेंड कर रहे हैं, इन सबको ऐसे ही एक प्रूफ पैड बनाना चाहिए। तो वो जमा करते रहिए वंदना जी के पास या सीमा जी के पास। तो इकट्ठा होकर के अगले जो लोग आते हैं उनको दिखा सकते हैं इन्होंने फॉलो किया, ये अच्छे हुए। ऐसे तो हिस्ट्री में नहीं है कि जिन्होंने प्राकृतिक लाइफस्टाइल अडॉप्ट किया और उनका हेल्थ खराब हो गया, ऐसा है ही नहीं। हेल्थी लाइफस्टाइल गिव्स अ हेल्थी बॉडी, हेल्थी माइंड, हेल्थी स्पिरिट। एक बार आपका हेल्थ बॉडी हेल्थी हो जाए तो माइंड अपने आप अच्छा है, हेल्थी हो जाता है। माइंड हेल्थी होने का उदाहरण क्या है कि आप अच्छे काम करने के लिए उत्तेजित रहेंगे और उत्सुक रहेंगे। You will be inspired to do good work all the time. You will be helpful to others. You will be a friend to everybody. These are all good signs of health. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं, वो चिड़चिड़ापन ज्यादा होता है, या कुछ लोग रोते रहते हैं, ये मेरा ये हो गया, मेरा ये हो गया। ऐसे दोनों गलत बात है। हमेशा मुस्कुराते हुए, चाहे कितना तकलीफ आ जाए जिंदगी में, हाँ हुआ, ठीक हो गए हम, ऐसे खुशी से रहना। इससे हमारा जिंदगी औरों को तकलीफ नहीं देगा, हमें भी तकलीफ नहीं देगा। ठीक है, दुनिया में आए लोग जो आए हैं वो चले गए, बड़े बड़े नेता लोग आए हैं वो भी चले गुजर गए। अब नए नए लोग आते हैं, नए नए नेता आते हैं, वो भी चले जाएंगे। ये आने जाने का तो क्रम लगा ही रहता है। लेकिन दुख को एंटरटेन नहीं करना है। हम दुखी क्यों होते हैं? समझते हैं कि हम हमारे भाग्य खराब है, हमारे साथ ये खराब ही हुआ है। अरे खुश रहो कि ऐसे हालत हो गया, तभी तो आपको ज्ञान मिलता है कि भाई ऐसे करने से ऐसे हुआ। अच्छा मार्ग में चलने से अच्छा रहेंगे, ऐसे उत्तेजना मिलता है, encouragement मिलता है। If you see the bad effects in your life, you should understand that it's your doing which has brought this state. And if you change your habits to healthy habits, and you will see healthy results, and your body will work better, and your mind will work better. You are spiritually oriented, encouraged to do anything challenging. और तकलीफ दे दो मुझे मुश्किल का टास्क दे दो, मैं करूंगा, ऐसा एक धैर्य मिलता है। You get so much courage that you will be willing to take more tasks in your life. There are people who don't want difficult questions, difficult situations, but there are people who want more challenging difficult stages. और तकलीफ दे दो मुझे, मैं संभाल लूंगा। I can face all the consequences, all the difficult situations in my life. That's the kind of spirit we should have. Next question.
Thank you for the amazing tip कि सदा मुस्कुराते रहें. Keep smiling always. That's a
कोई
wonderful tip.
फिल्मी गाना बताइए इसमें।
सीमा जी.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, उसी के जैसे हो सके तो हो उदार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
वाह वाह, बहुत अच्छे।
थैंक यू. ये तो आपके जुबान पे था एज इफ. बहुत बढ़िया.
थैंक यू।
Okay, we move on to the next question. By a 58-year-old, how to get free from nighttime urgency and frequency of urination. I think we read this, right?
नो नो वी डिडंट।
हाँ,
Okay.
नो
चलो
वी
कोई
डिडंट।
बात नहीं, एक बार और बता देते हैं। आई कैन
नहीं 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 पढ़ा।
कैन
And
आंसर इन इंग्लिश।
yeah, let me complete the whole question.
ओके।
And skin itching at odd places at different times, especially at night, early morning, after meals, etc. And the person has been on Ayurvedic medicines for some time, 6 months back. Yeah.
We don't know what the Ayurvedic medicines have done to him, but we can only say healthy lifestyle gives a healthy life. Healthy life, in healthy life, all the symptoms that he's explaining, it's a sign of unhealthy lifestyle. It's a reaction of unhealthy lifestyle. If he changes to a healthy lifestyle and make sure that before he goes to sleep, he goes to bathroom and he makes sure that he's passing urine and everything, and then goes to sleep, he'll be much better. Practice of pranayama that regulates the kidney functions. Breathe in, hold the breath is okay, but breathe out and hold the breath is more important. If you focus your attention to holding the breath for a little longer time after breathing out, then you will be improving your health so much. All the bodily dysfunctions will be organized properly, and your body's parts will start working much better. Not only that, this pranayama, breathing out and holding the breath, will tickle so many thoughts in your body, in your mind, that you will start doing positive things in life. I am born to do better and still better in life. That's what is you all need reminder about. Each one of you is a great soul, and you have to make such a difference that you will be a leader in the world around you. How to be a leader in the world around you? Show by example, improve your lifestyle, and improve your performance of everything that you do. That's it. रात का प्रॉब्लम कुछ भी हो, if you regulate your food habits and if you start doing ample exercise and having adequate rest, ये तो नहीं होगा. रात को सोने से पहले एक बार बाथरूम जाइए, and if there is need, take a toner and clear your bowels also, and then you will have no problem in the night. Thank you.
For those who are new to the word tona, tona is nothing but a mini enema, I would say, with only about 200 to 250 ml of water, where we insert water through the rectum and hold it for a few minutes, for as long as you can, before evacuating. Okay, we move on to the next question.
Yes, Guruji, the next question. Guruji, thank you so much for that amazing answer. Where we could the direct connection is you showed a connection between doing pranayama and the frequent urination. How profound pranayama can be to help frequent urination. So, and of course, cleaning our system before going to bed. This can reduce frequent urination and disturbance in the night. Thank you so much for that, Guruji. And now the next question. My wife is 7 weeks pregnant now. She is tested with low iron, ferritin, B12, vitamin D. How can she supplement these naturally? Please suggest the best diet for her to deliver a healthy baby. Can we consult a homeopathy doctor for this for her pregnancy? So far, no medicine has been given to her. No medicine has been tried so far.
It is your choice, absolutely, to choose a homeopath or a natural hygienist. If you choose natural health science, then we would say do not go to any other systems. When you go to other systems, you are misled. We are not going to treat diseases, we are going to only improve health. We are not an institution where we name diseases. We have particular name for the particular part of the body, and disease is only a lack of ease, and that can be overcome by improvement of health. If you follow all the healthy lifestyle, and you will not have any problem. Within 1 week, you will see the difference. What are the important things that you have to do in healthy lifestyle? That's very simple. Ample exercise, adequate rest, positive food. What are positive foods? Foods that it comes directly from the plant, and foods that can be eaten without processing, and foods that has got plenty of water, and foods that have no pungency, no strong taste, subtle taste, सात्विक. ऐसे खुराक खाने के लिए हंगर बहुत जरूरी है. भूख के बिना भूख के सारे खाना बहुत खराब लगता है. वो कहते हैं भूख जिसको होता है वो किवाड़ भी पापड़ हो जाता है. वो he can eat anything and he will enjoy it if you have real hunger. So hunger is very important, and you don't have to worry about hunger. When you really keenly get hungry, then you eat. You even a plain cucumber will taste very good when you are really hungry. When you're not hungry, even the spicy food that's given to you, you will like to add some more salt, some more spices in it. Hunger is the best sauce, they say. So इसलिए भूख से खाइए और व्यायाम करिए. 3 मंथ प्रेग्नेंट हो, 4 महीने पे प्रेग्नेंट हो, walking is not bad. There are people who are 9 months pregnant and they still run. They are able to run. बॉडी डिस्टर्ब नहीं होता है. जब तक कि आपका बाकी लाइफस्टाइल अच्छा हो तो कोई बुरा नहीं होता है. तो शुरू करिए आज से भी कि थोड़ा थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज कर लें. एक्सरसाइज के बाद आराम करें और खुराक में रोज एक बार कच्चे सब्जियों का सलाद खाएं विदाउट एडिंग एनी लाइम और सॉल्ट और पेपर. कोई ऐड नहीं करें. ऐसे एक बार कच्चे सब्जियों को खाने का आदत बनाएं. धूप दिखाना शरीर को, ऐसे अंगों को जहां पर धूप नहीं लगता, कपड़े पहने रहते हैं हमेशा, इन द प्राइवेसी ऑफ योर रूम. खिड़की से अगर धूप आ रहा है तो उसमें ऐसे प्राइवेट अंगों को धूप दिखाइए. इतना फायदा मिलता है, यकीन नहीं मानेंगे. अरे हमने तो कुछ भी दवाई नहीं लिया, यही तो सबसे अच्छा दवाई है. आकाशाद वायु वायोरग्नि अग्निराप अद्य पृथ्वी पृथिव्योर औषधय औषधिभ्यो अन्नम. ये सब बताया गया उपनिषद में, तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद में. आकाश से वायु आया है, वायु से अग्नि, अग्नि से जल. अग्नि से जल कैसे आता है? विद द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सनलाइट एंड एलिमेंट्स इन द एयर दैट फॉर्म्स वन वाटर. वाटर का फॉर्मूला क्या है? H2O. 2 पार्ट हाइड्रोजन, 1 पार्ट ऑक्सीजन. वो मिल जाता है सूर्य के मदद से, फिर वो पानी बन जाता है. तो ऐसे पानी पृथ्वी पे गिरता है, औषधिभ्यो अन्नम, और वहां पे औषधि पैदा होता है. आकाश, सूर्य भी होना चाहिए, पानी भी होना चाहिए, तब पौधे बड़े हो जाते हैं. उन पौधों से ही आहार मिलता है. औषधिभ्यो अन्नम अन्नाद भूतानि. हम जीव राशि, खुराक हमारे पौधों से मिलता है. ऐसे कोई जीव राशि नहीं है जो इन पौधों के बिना जी सकता है. सबके लिए बहुत जरूरी है. इसलिए आपका जो तकलीफ है इसमें ये जो हमने बताया, ये सब मार्गदर्शन को अपनाइए और देखेंगे 1 हफ्ते में, अरे वाह इतना इम्प्रूवमेंट हो गया. क्या किया हमने? वो शरीर के अंगों को जहां पर धूप नहीं पड़ता है, खिड़की के द्वारा अपने प्राइवेट रूम में धूप दिखाया. बस ये तो सबसे आसान है. रोज सुबह कुछ नहीं खाया, भूख लगने दिया, उसके बाद हमने सिर्फ पत्तों का रस, जैसे मकोई का पत्ता होता है ऐसे पत्तों का रस होता है, या खीरा का, या पंपकिन ऐश, वाइट वाइट पंपकिन जो बोलते हैं, ऐश गोर्ड, पेठा का जूस पिया. ऐसे करने से अल्कलिनिटी इन द बॉडी इम्प्रूव्स. सारा कुछ एडजस्ट हो जाता है. प्राणायाम करना रोज. प्राणायाम कैसे करना है अच्छी तरह वो सीख लेना. उसमें सबसे जरूरी अंग क्या है प्राणायाम का? सांस बाहर निकालने के बाद रोकना. सब खींच के अंदर रोक तो लेते हैं काफी देर, सांस निकालने के बाद रोकने का मौका नहीं देते अच्छी तरह. निकाल लिया, रोक लिया, अंदर खींच लिया, रोक लिया, जल्दी जल्दी करते हैं, फुक 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 करके प्राणायाम करते हैं. वो सब गलत है. आराम से करिए, सांस खुला आराम से खींचिए अंदर, और रोकने के बाद आराम से निकालिए. ऐसा करने से सब अच्छा हो जाएगा. आगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Amazing tips about how to lead a healthy lifestyle during pregnancy. I hope your question has been answered. The next one is by a lady who says, I want to know about PSVT, which stands for paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardia, which means irregular or fast heartbeats. It's a heart condition. Please tell me in detail about this and the solution.
जो नाम है रोगों का, the names of diseases do not mean anything in natural health science. All the disease problems are health problems. If you improve your health, disease vanishes. If you bring in light, darkness vanishes. Darkness का अलग अलग नाम तो नहीं दे सकते ना, ये लंगड़ा भूत है, ये फलाना भूत है. That's what the world is thriving out of. Medical world is thriving out of giving names, scaring you, and giving you medicines different medicine for different diseases. That's how they thrive. You don't thrive anymore. You go on becoming poor and poor in health, and then they say, "Oh, I have tried everything. भगवान ने मुझे आशीर्वाद नहीं दिया." अरे नेचर क्योर में आओ. Come to natural health science, and you will see solutions for everything. All the health problems are gone if you follow natural healthy lifestyle. Learn about it a little more in classes or in camps that we go hold regularly. Ask Seemaji or Vandanaji about further class that's coming up, and you will be benefiting much more than this. Thank you.
So there are multiple ways
सर
to
एक
learn.
क्वेश्चन मेरा भी था प्लीज आप
हाँ जी, हम आपके पास आएंगे. We are trying to first complete all the questions which are posted on the Google form. We'll come to your question.
okay.
Please wait. So continuing further, as Guruji mentioned, there are a few ways to learn a natural and a healthy lifestyle in detail. One is by attending residential camps. So there is an upcoming residential camp near Lonavala, which is between Mumbai and Pune, in the month of Feb, which is this month, from 16th of Feb to 22nd of Feb. I will post the details on the group chat and also share our contact numbers. If anyone wants to get in touch with us, we'll be happy to share further details. The second way is to enroll for an online course, which is held in association with International Hindu University. The details of the courses can also be shared with whoever wants further details. Yes, we'll move on to the next question now.
Thank you, Vandana, for sharing that. Please post the links also, how they can, phone
Yeah.
numbers and links here.
Sure.
So, Guruji, the next question is how to balance health priorities with modern lifestyle. And the next question is also very similar. We have one or the other stress in life. Any remedies, any ways out of this stressed lifestyle?
First question क्या था?
How to balance health priorities with modern lifestyle. They are both similar questions.
Yeah. Lifestyle is what we make. It is not to please others. Your priority is yourself. There are some people whom you call for a party, they don't want to come. Their priorities are different. So हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते उसके लिए. You cannot do anything to change others. Some others are there who like the priority of drinking alcohol. हम उनको नहीं change करना चाहिए. We don't have to adopt bad habits, and we have to stick to our lifestyle. That's how there are so many people in the world. We don't live for others.
Sorry
The
to
most
interrupt you.
important.
My question is also a little bit close. Can I add my question also?
Just wait until I finish.
Okay.
All of us have to follow a healthy lifestyle and become an example to others. What is healthy lifestyle comprise of? Again and again, I will remind you the 5 guidelines. Ample exercise, adequate rest, positive food, positive thoughts, and an occupation that combines your passion and skill to help others. ऐसा नहीं है. If you don't have any one of them, correct them, and you will see very successful result coming from that. Some people may have done everything, but they don't have an occupation that helps others. तो फायदा नहीं होता. Okay.
कब्जियत का क्या उपाय है? कब्ज का
कब्ज का तो बता दिया ना ऑलरेडी गुरुजी ने. कॉन्स्टिपेशन का बता दिया शुरू में.
शुरू में आप खुराक ऐसा खाइए जिसमें रेशा हो और पानी हो और स्वाद अच्छा हो अपने आप, कोई मसाला के बिना अच्छा हो. रॉ वेजिटेबल सैलड रोज खाइए, कब्ज निकल जाएगा. व्यायाम करिए, खूब प्राणायाम करिए.
Okay. The next question is by a 50-year-old. He says he has got LPP, lichen planus skin pigmentation issue since 10 years. It is a skin inflammation issue, and he's on allopathic medicine since last 10 years with topical creams, and now went for laser, but no much relief. What would be the solution?
Once you have checked all that and you have to resolve yourself that you are going to follow this path, and there will be very quick result. Within a week, you will see so much difference in your life. And what are the few things that you have to do? You have to have exercise. If you don't have ample exercise, all these problems will continue. As soon as you have exercise, you have to have rest to get the benefit of exercise. Without adequate rest, you don't get the benefit of all the exercise that you do. Then you have to calm your mind. Positive thoughts. Ye kharab ho gaya, wo that has went bad with my life. If you keep crying, it'll be more and more bad things will happen in your life. If you say whatever happens, I can face it. I can improve my lifestyle. I can do better. If you have that confidence, you will do much better. Come and attend our camps. Come and attend our classes. Then you will learn much more, and you will all these questions will be answered in the process of learning natural, a healthy lifestyle. Next question.
Okay, thank you, Guruji. Now there is a question from a 57-year-old from Delhi. He's having inflammation during the day in the right side, back and arm. He's tried homeopathy. He wants solution for that. She wants.
You cannot reach the right side back of your body with your hand. So use something which will help you. Expose that part of the body to sunlight. And then influence that part with a shower, cold shower. पहले hot shower करिए, फिर उसके बाद cold shower. Following with quick cold shower, that part will be improving circulation. It's a lack of circulation which is causing this problem. And if you have exercise involving the whole body, moving your hand around, moving your neck around, and body bend forward, bend backwards, bend sideways. If you do a regular exercise like that, tackling all the parts of the body, circulation will be improved. Once circulation improves, then your problems are gone. Not only that, the quality of blood that causes this lack of circulation has to be improved. Quality of blood can be improved by positive food. And not only positive food, positive thoughts. जो हमारा thoughts होते हैं, ख्यालात, वो गलत होएगा तो बॉडी का सर्कुलेशन खराब हो जाता है. Why does our circulation go bad with bad thoughts? It cannot be explained by words. Only by feeling, by doing it, you will know. Bad thoughts will stop circulation. Bad thoughts will spoil circulation of the blood. It has been seen so quickly. When a person has got bad circulation, he goes to do some yoga and followed with relaxation, shavasana, meditation. Then his circulation becomes better and his problem is gone. This can be improved much better if you have also positive food. Positive thoughts are followed by positive food. Thank you.
Okay. Now we take up a question related to dealing with children's health emergency in a natural way. This question is asked by a lady from Singapore, and she wants to know how to deal with children's health emergency using natural ways. And she says we are a medicine-free family. That's nice.
Fantastic. Prevention is better than cure. पहले से ही आपके बच्चों का आदत खुराक से बदल दीजिए. Engage them in physical activities also. Take them for regular running, playing in the parks. Physically, if they're active, then their circulation will be better. And if they're having raw vegetables every day as one meal, then your blood chemistry will change immediately, miraculously. And within a week, you will see such a great change in their life. And each of them have got a passion. And find out their passion and encourage them to engage in that passionate activity. Make sure that passionate activity is healthy. That's all.
Lovely parenting tip, Guruji. Thank you so much for this. Next question, Guruji. He's telling, Namaste, Guruji. I would like to know if there are any places in India where you would place in India, where you would recommend for those who want to fast for prolonged period under guidance and appropriate environment? I know that the first few days before and after, the last few days after fasting are the critical ones as the fast itself, and really want to be surrounded by experienced team. Thank you for your amazing work and inspiration.
If you go to Pollachi, you can stay for a few days and improve your health. And details of Pollachi can be had from Simaji or Vandanaji. But before going there, we have a plan where we have a what do you call cycle: liquid, solid, liquid, fast, liquid, solid, liquid, fast, fast, liquid, solid, liquid, fast, 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 liquid, liquid. ऐसे solid, liquid, fast, fast, fast. ऐसे जाते हैं. Don't have continuous fasting without training yourself. There is a cycle in which you have liquid foods and then going to fast. Gradually going to fast for a short duration first and then longer duration as you train your body. Within a month or two, you will be able to fast for 3 days continuously. Don't prolong fasting for 40 days, 50 days, unless the body comes to that stage. Thank you.
That's a wonderful answer, that we must not fast without training our bodies. And the cycle that is mentioned by Guruji is very important to actually train our bodies. Yeah. And one should be mentally prepared as well.
And I guess also under guidance, it's always a better thing to do. Having someone with you guide you. Polachi,
True.
Send your what do you call request. We'll send you a form of application form भर के भेज देंगे तो आपको you will get guidelines where you can do it in your own home also, if you don't want to go to Pollachi. You have to
Okay.
send a letter and then we'll send you an application. The application forms?
Yes.
yes, Guruji, we have
Okay.
it.
Sure. Then you have to have a treatment plan also.
Yeah.
Okay.
The next question is by a 61-year-old, and he says, I was following your method for the last 3 months for arthritis, but I started getting a constant cold and running nose, hair loss, and lack of strength. I was looking unhealthy too. The regimen that I am following is 600 grams of raw vegetables, followed by cooked vegetables, millets, and monofruits. So 3 times, once 600 grams of raw vegetables. The second meal is cooked vegetables with millets, and the third meal is a monofruits meal. He also does sun bath and breathing exercises, and he does weekly water fasts plus stona.
Change the fruits to the morning and cooked meal to the night.
Okay.
Make that alteration, and he has to send an application form to you, and then you can give them periodic guidance. Stage 1, stage 2, like that. You guide them through every stages, and so that they can be under guidance. They may not do anything wrong.
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Guruji, the next question is from a 50-year-old. How can I improve my hearing power?
By pranayama, you can improve your hearing power. Hearing power means there is a blockage in the track that comes to the ear. Blockage is usually acidic. If you have more alkaline foods, those will be dissolved and your track will be clear. And once the track is clear, your hearing will become better. And your hearing can also improve by regular running, pranayama and all that.
Okay. That's an amazing tip. So the person who has asked this question has also attended one of our camps.
Ask him to first change his statement to 50 years young instead of 50 years old.
Yes. Very good.
Yes, being positive in life is very, very important.
The next question is very similar to hearing. Let me just read it. So the question says, I had mild hearing issues since childhood, hardly known by others, and then after it started increasing. Since 4 to 5 years, there is a peak increase, and I'm facing severe hearing issues. I can feel literally some pressure in my ears, and my hearing has decreased in every few days. Had MRI check, scan, all my eardrum, my nerves are normal. My ear bone, everything doctor said nothing can be done. No machine is working at this point. What can be done? I am deeply concerned.
इसका आंसर भी वही है करीब करीब.
जी.
Hearing is not a problem of the particular part of the body. It's a problem of the entire health of the person. If you improve your overall health, your hearing problem also will be solved. Send a letter and to you or Simaji, and so that you could send them a application form and then follow it up with guidelines, treatment stage number 1, stage 2, like that. He needs monitoring. Go to the next.
Yeah, Guruji. Okay, the next question is kidney dialysis को कैसे stop करें और kidney को कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं? Please explain in Hindi.
किडनी को शरीर का कोई बाहर अंग नहीं है. किडनी भी शरीर के अंग है. इनको ठीक करने के लिए पूरा शरीर को ठीक करना जरूरी है. जब तक आपका हाजमा ठीक नहीं होगा तो किडनी भी ठीक नहीं होगा. हाजमा को अच्छा करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? पहले भूख पैदा करना चाहिए. भूख कैसे पैदा करते हैं? उपवास करने से. उपवास कितनी देर तक करें? पहले आधा दिन का करिए. वो आधा दिन का हर हफ्ते में एक दिन आधा दिन का फास्ट. आधा दिन का फास्ट का मतलब शाम को 4 बजे तक कुछ न खाइए. शाम को 4 बजे कुछ फल खाइए. तो ये आधा दिन का फास्ट हो गया. ऐसे उसके बाद एक दिन का करिए. एक दिन का फास्ट में पूरा रात को भी कुछ न खाइए. अगले दिन सुबह फल खाइए. जैसे रूटीन होता है वैसे फल एक बार, हरी सब्जी का कच्चे सब्जियों का सलाद एक बार, फिर पका हुआ आहार रात को. ऐसे धीरे धीरे स्टेजेस में ले जाइए तो आपका प्रॉब्लम तो पता नहीं कब दूर हुआ. हमें पता ही नहीं लगा ये प्रॉब्लम भी था हमारे पास. ऐसे भूल जाएंगे. आगे पढ़िए.
जी. Next one is by a lady. She says, retinitis pigmentosus, eyesight, is a genetic disease which is said to be incurable. Can it be reversed?
देखिए, हम किसी डिसीज को ठीक करने का दावा नहीं देते हैं. हम तो कहते हैं कि हमारे पास हेल्थी लाइफस्टाइल सीखने के लिए आइए. हेल्थी लाइफस्टाइल से क्या होता है? हेल्थ बढ़ता है. कोई भी जो शरीर का प्रॉब्लम होता है, कोई समस्या होता है, वो समस्या है हेल्थ का. स्वास्थ्य आपका अच्छा हो जाए तो ओवरऑल हेल्थ इंप्रूव होने से शरीर के अंग भी ठीक हो जाते हैं. ये कोई जादू नहीं है. ये वास्तविक रूप में हजारों लोगों में देखा गया है कि उन्होंने अपना लाइफस्टाइल बदला और उनका लाइफ चेंज हो गया.
जी.
Okay, Guruji, thank you so much for this. What can we do for sudden itching in the skin in certain parts of the body?
खुजल लीजिए.
हाँ जी.
तो खुजा लीजिए. और जब ऐसे प्रॉब्लम रेगुलरली हो रहा है तो रेगुलरली हमारे शरीर का जो स्किन का हेल्थ है वो ठीक नहीं है. स्किन हेल्थ को कैसे इम्प्रूव करना है? प्राणायाम से करना है, सूर्य स्नान से करना है, रेगुलर सन बाथ, प्राणायाम एंड यूजिंग हेर्बल क्लीनिंग एजेंट, ड्राई पाउडर लेकर के उससे शरीर को साफ करें. और गीला तौलिया से भी साफ कर सकते हैं. शरीर के अंग में जहाँ पर नहीं पहुँचते हाथ, तो वहाँ लंबा तौलिया लेके ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे तो वो भी हिस्सा साफ हो जाता है. और खुराक ऐसे खाइए जिससे कि स्किन का जो इचिंग है वो कम हो सकता है. वो कैसे होता है? ऑल इचिंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एसिडिक प्रॉब्लम. जब शरीर खुराक में तेजाब ज्यादा होता है तो ऐसे इचिंग प्रॉब्लम होता है। जब खुराक में ज़्यादा अल्कलाइनिटी होता है, क्षार, क्षार कहाँ से मिलता है? सब्जियों से। हरी सब्जियों का खाने का आदत बनाइए, तो ये खुजली क्या, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो जिंदगी का, सब समस्या दूर हो जाता है। पहले सब कच्चा सब्जी का खाने का आदत डालिए, और तब खाइए जब वाकई में भूख लगता हो। अब आपका भूख सच्चा है ये जानने के लिए कच्चे सब्जी को खा के देखिए, स्वाद अच्छा लगे तो इसका मतलब आपका रियली भूख अच्छा है।
Okay, I would now request the person who has raised her hand since a long duration, A नाम से जो है, आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं अब।
थैंक यू टू गिविंग मी चांस। थैंक यू गुरुजी। मैं अभी तक यूट्यूब पे ही आपको सुना है, मैं फर्स्ट
First,
टाइम
you need
लाइव
to
जुड़ी हूँ।
first you need to sing
यूट्यूब
a
पे
song. Like your name is so sing one alap.
नो माय माय नेम इज अदिति एंड मैं 7-8 महीने की प्रेग्नेंट हूँ, और अभी तक मैंने कुछ भी गोली दवाई नहीं लेके नेचुरली सब कुछ ठीक रखा है, सब कुछ ठीक है। और अभी मेरे को ना नींद में थोड़ी दिक्कत आ रही है, थोड़ा स्ट्रेस भी रह रहा है क्योंकि पता नहीं किन
आप
कारणों से।
आपका श्वास भी अच्छा नहीं है।
ओके।
आप वॉकिंग के लिए जाते हैं रोज?
मैं वॉकिंग खूब सारा करती हूँ। अभी मैं अपनी
हाँ,
मम्मी के पास में आ गई गांव में, तो खूब सारी हरी सब्जी वगैरह भी मैं कंज्यूम कर रही हूँ। और मेरे को जैसे पहले कुछ दिन पहले सिम्टम्स थे, वीकनेसेस वगैरह, तो अभी वो नहीं है। और अच्छा लग रहा है।
खिड़की
सन
से।
बात भी बहुत सारी है। पहले
हाँ,
डाइजेशन का इशू था, तो अभी वो भी रिजॉल्व हो गया। और बट अभी नींद का है कि मुझे प्रॉपर नींद नहीं आ रही है रात को, और थोड़ा स्ट्रेस भी है
ये
कहीं
जो
ना कहीं।
सर में जो आपने लगाया ना कैप, ये हटा दीजिए।
ये ठंड की वजह से है, यहाँ पे ठंड है
हाँ, यही
राजस्थान
तो
में।
कह रहा हूँ, सर को ठंडा रखना है। पैर गरम, पेट नरम और सर ठंडा हो तो हकीम को मारो डंडा, ये
हम्म,
कहावत है। सर को हमेशा कवर करते रहेंगे तो आपकी बीमारियां ठीक नहीं होंगी। सर को
ओह,
ठंडा होने दीजिए, पैर को गर्म रखिए, बदन को ढक लीजिए, सर को खुला छोड़िए।
ठीक है।
अभी खोलिए।
हाँ, ये तो कपड़ा ही है, ये तो बहुत पतला
हाँ,
सा है।
अब अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना आप। तो ये हमेशा याद रखिए, कैमरा को और ऊपर ले जाइए। ये अब बनी बात। अब आप स्वस्थ हैं। जो भी स्वास्थ्य के प्रॉब्लम आएगा उसका,
मैं थोड़ी देर बाहर जा सकती तो मुझे बात करनी है।
वो जो भी स्वास्थ्य का प्रॉब्लम है उसमें ये देखना है कि सर्कुलेशन अच्छा हो।
हम्म।
सर्कुलेशन अच्छा होने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? पैर गरम,
हम्म।
पेट नरम और
हम्म।
सर ठंडा। सर
हम्म।
ठंडा नहीं रख रहे हैं तो बहुत अरेंजमेंट खराब हो जाता है, सर्कुलेशन खराब हो जाता है।
हम्म।
पैर से सर तक जाना है, सर्कुलेशन से सर को गर्म करना है। नहीं तो कैप डाल के गर्म करेंगे तो इसका सर्कुलेशन भी खराब हो गया, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व ही नहीं हुआ।
हम्म।
पैर को जरूर ढकिए, गर्म रखिए, दौड़ लगाइए, पैर वॉकिंग करिए, ज्यादा प्राणायाम करिए, शरीर को धूप में दिखाइए।
हम्म। और एक
इसलिए
क्वेश्चन और था, वैक्सीनेशन के ऊपर था कि मैं अपनी फैमिली को कन्विंस नहीं कर पा रही हूँ कहीं ना कहीं। मतलब क्योंकि ये, उनको चाहिए ही तो, मैं बस इतने पे आ पाई कि जो रूटीन डोज है, जो गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव्ड है, मैं मैंने कहा हम वही लेंगे अगर आपको लेना ही है तो। बाकी मैंने बहुत कोशिश की, बहुत, बट मैं नहीं
वैक्सीनेशन नहीं
कन्विंस
लेना
कर
है,
पा रही हूँ।
उनको
नहीं,
कन्विंस नहीं करना,
मैं
लेकिन अपने लिए भी
बच्चे
नहीं
के
लेना
लिए।
है। नहीं लेना है। वैक्सीन में क्या है? मटेरियल्स दैट विल improve your health or not.
मैंने
Disease is
मैंने बहुत
unreal.
मैंने बहुत कोशिश की, उनको आसपास मेरे जो बच्चे हैं
उनको
मैंने
मत
कहा
करिए
उनको ऑब्जर्व
आप।
करो,
आप अपना
सबको
जिद
देखो।
पकड़ लीजिए, मैंने नहीं लेना, आप लोग ले लीजिए।
नहीं,
आपको कोई
मैंने
जबरदस्ती
नहीं लिया, बट बच्चे को दिलवाना चाह रहे हैं।
नहीं देना है। मेरा बच्चा है तो मैं नहीं दूंगी।
ओके, थैंक यू। आपका नाम क्या बोला आपने?
Aditi, Aditi.
Aditi. Thank you, Aditi, for your question.
3 बार अदिति बोलना आप 3 ये
ओके, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, और भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं हमारे पास। तो किसी ने सवाल
Thank
किया
you.
है, हाउ टू मेक द हैबिट ऑफ ईटिंग रॉ वेजिटेबल्स व्हेन यू फाइंड हार्ड टू डाइजेस्ट देम। ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग इज इट ओके टू हैव सोक्ड नट्स विथ फ्रूट्स?
फ्रूट्स जब लेते हैं तो सिर्फ एक फ्रूट लेना चाहिए, एक किस्म का फल। उसमें स्प्राउट डालेंगे, ये डालेंगे, डाइजेशन को खराब करेंगे। फ्रूट्स तो सबसे जल्दी डाइजेस्ट होता है, पका हुआ फ्रूट्स हो तो उसको डाइजेस्ट करने में बहुत जल्दी आसान होता है, उसको खराब मत करिए। स्प्राउट्स सलाद में डाल लीजिए, रॉ वेजिटेबल सलाद एक बार खाइए, उसमें स्प्राउट्स डाल लीजिए, दैट्स ऑल।
ओके, एंड उनका ये भी सवाल था कि हैबिट ऑफ ईटिंग रॉ वेजिटेबल्स, हाउ टू मेक द हैबिट ऑफ ईटिंग रॉ वेजिटेबल्स व्हेन यू फाइंड हार्ड टू डाइजेस्ट देम।
हार्ड टू डाइजेस्ट इसको बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन इसमें जो यूजफुल मटेरियल मिल रहा है वो नहीं बोल रहे हैं। भूख लगने दीजिए, फिर रॉ वेजिटेबल सलाद लीजिए। भूख के बिना जब खाते हैं तो उसमें तकलीफ होता है, वो डाइजेशन हुआ भी तो नहीं हुआ, उससे गैस बहुत बनेगा। यू विल हैव टू वेट until you get really hungry to eat raw vegetables, and it will become tastier, and you chew them and chew them thoroughly before you swallow. And if you follow this lifestyle, you will see results in within 1 week. You will see such a good result. There are so many people who followed this lifestyle and saw a big difference within a week.
Okay, Guruji, the next question. One of this person's relative is a 56-year-old. That person has Sjogren's syndrome. It's a autoimmune disease. Commonly causes severe chronic dryness. She is taking some tablets, HCQs 200 mg and Flavoid 5 mg. There are a list of tablets they've given. How to cure this naturally?
Only unless you stop all the medicines, nature cannot help you. On one side, you try to solve your problem naturally, and on the other side, if you put medicines, it's a sin of meddling with nature. Medicine, that's why it's called medicine. Don't do the sin of meddling with nature, and you follow a natural, healthy lifestyle, your problems will be definitely solved within 1 week. Fast for a day, have salads in one meal, have fruits in another meal, have conservatively cooked vegetables in a third meal, where you don't add salt in the beginning, you add salt in the end. In the salad, you don't add salt at all. Fruits, you take one kind of fruits, you need no salt there also. If you follow a healthy lifestyle, start doing exercises regularly, and send your routine to one of our health coaches, Seema ji or Vandana ji. They will guide you through step by step. Unless you have step by step guideline, you will not be able to improve your health. It's not a problem of curing a disease. It's a solution is about improving overall health.
Thank you. So yes, definitely, medicines are only chemicals which we are injecting into our bodies, and we are, instead of trying to remove filth from our bodies, we are adding more filth into it. So stopping medicines and learning the right lifestyle is the key to your solution. The next question is, Namaskar Guruji. In nowadays, we all have one or the other stress in life. Any remedies or ways for managing stress?
आपने नमस्कार गुरुजी बोला, उसी में सॉल्व हो गया. That means you have to surrender to the truth. I am not the Guruji. Guruji वो है, आपके अंदर है. Your mind will guide you, your intelligence will guide you through the right path. उसमें believe करने के लिए you have to totally fast for a day, and then you will see your mind will tell you everything. Your intelligence will guide you properly. Pranayam सीखिए, learn about proper ways of doing yogasana, and then Follow it with Shavasana, where you relax all your nerves. Then step by step, you will see improvement and the symptoms will vanish. आगे पढ़िए.
जी.
Yeah, thank you, Guruji. Yes, for understanding all these methodologies of how to be healthy with complete details, with the understanding of the sciences behind this natural way of living, the way animals live in the jungle, the way we are designed to live. दिस इज ये जो है ना, ये शरीर 5 तत्व का शरीर है. ये 5 तत्व ही इस का खुराक इसको मिलना चाहिए. Apart from this, anything else we put in the body, let it be medicines, like how Guruji tells, we are meddling and we are sinning by meddling with our body, and we should not go in for medicines. It's the 5 elements that is the food for this. For learning all this, you can join our camps, or you can join any of our online courses. So Guruji, now the next is there's an 18-year-old boy who gets dry mouth very easily. He's unable to sleep properly. Please suggest what to do for this.
He has to learn pranayama. He has to do plenty of running and do shavasana and then learn pranayama. And make sure that he breathes only through the nose and not through the mouth. And if once he practices this pranayama and breathes only through the nose, then he will not have this problem. Ample exercise, adequate rest. And he must have raw vegetable salad every day. That's it. लोगों को जब बोलते हैं ऐसे, कहाँ जा रहे हो तुम, तो बंगाली में गाना है वो, तुम्ही को खोन देश चले गए छो कबू जाने ते पारी नहीं. पता ही नहीं कहाँ तुम चले गए. पधास बोली छी इसी छी कबू माने ते पारी नहीं, तुम्ही को खोन दे. I'm not so good.
Wow, Guruji, lovely.
तुम
Okay.
कहाँ गए अब? ये पता ही नहीं लगा तुम कहाँ चले गए. वापस आइए. Come back to our. Everybody, you all have cure in your own system. You don't need me. You don't need any Vandana ji, Seema ji, कोई भी नहीं चाहिए. आप if you focus on your own body, your body will tell you what to do. Not the mind. Don't follow the mind. Follow the body's guideline. If you're not hungry, don't go eat. Just because your mind says, let's have this pakoda, abhi acha ban raha, ye wo, all kinds of masalas. That's what happens to us. We are listening more to our mind, and you train your mind first. Train your mind to learn the healthy lifestyle. Attend our classes, and it's already more than an hour and a half, and I think we should quit. We'll save the questions for next time.
Okay. Guruji, there were just couple of more questions. Okay,
Okay.
can we just take 2 more questions?
Okay.
Okay. So the next one is about lemons. And the person who has asked wants to know, question on lemons, alkaline versus acidic confusion still exists even in other whole food
Schools.
plant-based.
Yeah.
Is drinking lemons in a glass of water every day alkaline? Is drinking this instead of herbal juice good for us?
Absolutely not. Lemon is acid, citric acid. We know by taste itself it's so sour. Can you take lemon juice without adding any water or spices? Oh, to horrible hai. You add lemon to anything that becomes sour. We don't make our life sour. Life ko meetha banaiye. Make your life sweet by adding sweet habits. Lemon ki jagah mein khira khaiye. Have watermelon. That's okay. It's a fruit, but it's a least acid. So whatever is good for you is in vegetables. Lemon is not a vegetable, and it's a strong acid. Do you want to get more sick? Have more lemon. Thank you.
Okay, Guruji. Next, one last question, Guruji. Can autism be reversed 100%?
Completely possible. I have worked in schools with autism children. I was not allowed to change their medicine or anything. Within my means, I could see that they improved their response to classes, and they improved their performance in sports and every activity. They improved without even changing their lifestyle, without doing anything. Few little things. Encourage them to read more, encourage them to breathe better. Raise your hand, breathe in, hold your breath, breathe out, hold the breath. As I used to do certain things, influence them into healthy habits. Bend left, bend right, breathe out, bend left, breathe in, straighten up. ऐसे बहुत कुछ करता रहता था. And they used to perform much better than other students. Autism can be changed, but medicines को रोकना जरूरी है. Okay.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Guruji,
Guruji.
for answering all the questions so patiently. I'm sure a lot of people have, whoever joined and whoever asked questions, have received all the answers. So this is a short session, just an hour and a half, and not everyone, we really cannot learn a healthy lifestyle in such a small session. So to know further, please do contact us and we will share all the details that are required. Namaste.
Yes, Guruji, thank you so much. And there are some questions which we couldn't answer this time. We will definitely incorporate them the next session when we have with you, Guruji.
Sure. Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you. Thank you everyone
you
for
all so much.
joining.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा. कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है स्वास्थ्य के स्वाधीन से जिए जा. ये जिंदगी है स्वास्थ्य के स्वाधीन से जिए जा, स्वाधीन से जिए जा.